Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am taking a class in mysql, okay, which I am continuing after the first session of mysql. Today is my second class of mysql. Okay, in the first class already I had already taught regarding database, then how to create how to set the database, how to create a database, how to create a new table, how to insert the records in the table. Okay, these things I thought. Now I will continue the next SQL session of second class. Okay, my name is Rizwan. I am computer faculty of Micropark Computer Center, Tumkur. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to mysql. Okay, go to mysql. Okay, okay. Now password. Now whatever the password is said, that password you will give. Understood? Now here what I will do. Now if you want to see what are the databases available, for that you have a query called what is a select. It's a select or okay, it's a select. Here one minute. I do one thing. You say show. Show is a databases. Okay. Show databases. So actually what it will do. Now whatever the databases available in the mysql, it will show all the list. It will show all the list of databases. If you want to create a new database, for that what you do is say create database name. Suppose I say database name as Infosys. Usually database name will be company name. Database name will be the company name. Now if you want to go to a particular database from the list of database, if you want to select a particular database, for that you have an SQL statement called, you say use. Call the database name, you say Infosys. Okay, like that. Now a particular database means whichever database you want to select, that particular name you have to use that database name. Now a particular database Infosys selected. In that database I want to add different tables. For that you say create. Okay, create table name. Table name I say employee. Then I say employee number. I say int. This is int is called data type. For referring usually employee number will be numbers. Okay. Then you say comma employee name. You say varchar. Okay. Actually what is varchar? If you want to declare in words string. Okay. Then you say comma and say employee salary. Employee salary will be numbers. No? For that you have to declare int. Okay. Then you say employee department. Employee department I say varchar. Okay. Again I say varchar. Varchar will be in string. Okay. Again I say comma employee qualification. For qualification I will say again varchar. Okay. Again I say minimum. Like that. See, actually here if you want to declare if you want to show the information in words, you have to say varchar. Okay, that is called string. Now this particular this is created. Okay, now here this one now table is created by employee. Now if you want to see the structure or if you want to describe your table, for that you have an SQL statement called DESC. Table name is what? Table name is EMP. DESC you say EMP. Okay. Now that is called describe table. Okay. Now the table is described. Means it's showing what are the fields available in the table. Okay, or columns. Now up to here understood. Now suppose if I want to see what are the tables available in the database, for that I have a query called show tables. Okay, now it will show only one table because in one database there is only one table. Okay, like that. This is for checking what are the tables available. Now if you want to insert the records, insert into, then you say table name. Table name is what? EMP. Then you say values. Okay, now what I will do? You say employee number 1, comma, then you have to follow the sequence. Next is what? Name. Suppose I say Sam. And next is what? Suppose I say salary. And next is what? Suppose I say next is department. Suppose I say marketing. Always wherever you have varchar, you have to give quotes, single quotes. String. Okay. Qualification. Then I say again string. I say BA something. Close inverted comma, then close inverted. Okay. Like that I keep on adding. Again if I say if you want to go to next record, you have to use up arrow key. No need of typing again and again the same statement. Just if you use upper arrow key, just you can change the record numbers or the information. Okay. Say Navi. Then I'll say some salary. Okay. Then I'll say sales. Then I'll say some MA. Okay, like that. Now if I want to see what are the records available, you say select star from what is the table name? EMP. Correct. You are checking what are the records available in the table. Okay. Next what you have, suppose I want to add one new column. I want to add a new column for the existing table. Okay, for that I have an SQL statement called, okay, I'll say alter table name. Okay, what is the table name? Table name is EMP. Now if you want to add, you have an keyword called add, then is a column name. What is the column name? Suppose I want to add a new column as employee designation, or I'll say employee city, as a city. Okay, I want to add city, then I'll say varchar. Okay, then what are size you want, you can select. Okay, like that. Okay, you have to show with the column name and with the data type and the size. Okay, always if you want to store string or words, you have to use varchar. Okay, now one new column is added. If you want to check, you say DSC, order table name EMP. If you want to see the list of records, select star from table name EMP. Now employee city. Now suppose I want to add the information in the employee city. For that you say update. Okay, update table name. Table name is what? EMP. Then you say set. Set is for adding the records to the empty column. Okay, set what I say employee city is equal to which city you want. Suppose I say Bangalore. Then I say where is a class. Now in this which column you want to refer, either you can refer employee number or employee name or salary, like that. Okay, suppose usually companies refer for number. Okay, suppose I say employee number is equal to particular record number, I say 1. Okay, now what is showing? Now it's updated. Okay, now the which Bangalore place is updated to which particular record Sam, because Sam is employee number 1. If you want to see, select start from EMP. Now see Bangalore is updated. Like that same thing again you can do. Suppose again if I say again you say update. Again you say update table name EMP. Then you say set what employee city equals, suppose I'll say Mysore. Then I'll say where, which suppose I'll say employee number is equal to 2 means it will add to Naveen. If you want to check, you can say select star from table. Like that you can keep on updating the records. Understood na? So this is for adding the new column and updating the records for the new column. Okay, next what we have. Okay, now suppose I want to drop the column. Okay, if you want to drop the column, for that you have an SQL statement. That is what you say alter table name. What is the table name? EMP. Then you say drop. What is the column name? Okay, suppose I want to drop employee city. You say employee city. Okay, now it is dropped. Okay, you say alter table name, drop column name. Whichever column name you want to drop, that particular name you have to give. Now if you want to check, you don't want, you say DSC. What is the table name? EMP. Now see, now employee city is not there. And if you want to check the records, you say select star from table name. Table name is what? EMP. Okay, like that. This is for dropping the column from the table. Suppose if I want to modify the size of the column. Okay, for that you say DSC first. Or the table name EMP. Suppose I want to modify the size of the field of employee name. Okay. Now suppose you say what here? Suppose I'll say alter. Again you say alter table name. Table name is what? EMP. Then you have a keyword called modify. Which column data type you want to modify, that you select. Suppose I want to modify for employee department. You say EDPT. Then you say varchar. Now earlier size was 14. Now I want to modify it to, you say 11. Okay. Now observe here, it's changed. Now if you want to check what I will do, again you go to select star from table name. Okay. Again you say, or you say DSC. Now what is the table name? EM. Okay. Now observe here. Now wherever what you have done, we have modified for each one department. Earlier department was 12. Earlier department was how much? Department was 14. Now it is modified to 11. Okay. Like that you can modify the size of the data type of a particular field or column. Okay. And okay. Now suppose again if there is a select star from table name, EMP. Suppose if you want to delete a particular record, for that what you say? You say delete star from table name. What is the table name? EMP. Now for that you have a class called where, and which particular record you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete for Sam. You say E number is equal to 1 because Sam employee number is 1. Whichever column you want you can refer. Delete where, okay, delete. Don't give star. Okay, don't give star. Give only delete from table name. Delete from table name where EMP delete from table name where E number is equal to 1. Now if you want to check, you say no, select star from table. What is the table name? EMP. See now that record is gone. Which one? Sam. Okay, because I referred as employee number equal to 1. So this is the way how we use alter SQL statement. Then you use delete. Okay, how to insert the records. These things. Okay, this is class regarding how to modify the in alter you have different types. That is, you can modify the size, you can add the new column. Okay, these things are very important SQL statements. Okay, which has to be modified. Okay, like that you can keep on modifying the size and you can keep on updating the records for a particular table. And next is now one more you have. Suppose I create a table. I say create table name. Table name will say some, okay, I say employee only. I say employee number, I say int, comma employee name, I say varchar, then size. Okay. Now I'll add only 2 columns. I will insert the records. Insert into I say table name. What is the table name? Employee. I will say values. See, first method of adding the insert statement is you are telling insert into table name. Another method is what? You say insert into table name. Okay, then first what you do? You add the columns outside. Okay, what is the order of the column names here? Employee number, comma, employee name, comma, only 2 no. Okay, employee name. Then what you do? In the right side again you say values. In the right side you add the values. Okay, in the left side you show the column names. Right side you say values. 1 comma. Suppose I say Ramesh. Okay. Again. Again what you do? Next now same thing. Next word I'll say again employee number second record. Now second record again. Suppose I want to add I'll say Sam. Okay. Like that you can keep on adding. One side you can declare employee details and another side you can declare the values. Okay. Again I say employee number and values I say 3. Then I say what? Hari. Okay. Then you can keep on declaring. If you want to see, select star from table name. What is the table name? EM. Okay. Table name is employee. Table name is employee. Okay. Another thing of this one is we have an SQL statement called truncate. Actually, what is the meaning of truncate? In truncate, you can see only the structure, but you cannot see the records. Okay, you have a query called SQL statement called truncate table name. Now, what is the table name? Employee. Okay. See, in the earlier table records were there. Now, after applying truncate, what will happen? You can see only structure, but you cannot see the table. You cannot see the records. Now, if you want to check what is again, we say select star from table name. Observe here. The records are empty. Okay, if you want to keep the structure of the table and if you want to empty the records, that is the use of truncate. Okay, but the structure is there. If you want to check the structure, DSC table name. What is the table name? Employee. Okay, now you can see the structure, but you cannot see the records. Now suppose for you this particular table is not important. If you want to drop it, if you want to remove from the database, for that you have an SQL statement called drop table name. What is the table name? Employee. You say drop table, spelling mistake. You say drop table name, employee. Okay. Now the table is dropped. Now if you want to check whether the table is there in the database or not, for that you have a statement called show tables. Why the table drop? Employee, no? See, EMP is there, employee is not there. Right? That you can truncate the table, you can drop the table, you can alter the table, you can update the table, you can insert the table. See, these are the things which I have taught in the MySQL second class. Okay. Next information, next SQL statements I'll come. Next SQL statements I'll continue in the third session of MySQL. Okay. Thank you.